What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our video of Twisted Typhoon at Wild Adventures in Valdosta, Georgia. This is a really fun ride. It's really colorful, one of the big dogs at the park. If you guys do go, you gotta check this ride out because it's nice. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.